does legba, whose color is red. Just checking. And whose Catholic counterpart would be
St. George?
Saint Peter. And then he goes to.
Clearly, more people need to buy copies.
I'm trying to help you out. There's one of my favorite ones that I didn't know this one. Zaka. I didn't know that law. Who knows that law? Cousin Zaka. Okay. His color is blue and red. From the family Lada. His abodes are the fields. The symbol is the peasant farmer. And the Catholic counterpart is Saint Isidore. So these are just some of the, this is a nice long list. These are just some of the attributes that I think is really important in this. And then he does what I think is really key are some proverbs creole. I'm gonna say it in English, and then my Haitianese will translate to Creole, okay?
What does that mean, Haitian?
That means all people who love Haiti, instead of saying Haitian, right? Little by little, the bird builds its nest. That's French. Petit petit oiseau fait niche li. Okay? I'm going to go to the easy one. Beyond the mountains are mountains. A beautiful funeral doesn't guarantee heaven. A beautiful funeral doesn't guarantee heaven. Bel enterrement pas dit paradis.